Employee roles. Create custom employee roles on both your Clover device and dashboard. To begin, open the Employees app on your Clover POS. Select Roles at the top of your screen. Tap the green button on the lower right. Enter your custom role. In this example, we're going to add bartender. You can also switch the default permission levels using the drop-down option below. Finally, select Add. Now we can begin to assign employees to our new role. To do so, select the role you have created. Select the Assign Employees to Role button. Select all employees that will be assigned to this role. Tap Assign to Role. Action complete. Custom roles can also be created via your dashboard. To do so, please sign in to your Clover dashboard via clover.com. Once you're signed in, click on Employees on the left-hand side. Click on the three dots on the upper right. Select Roles. We now select the Add New Role button. Enter the role name. We can also choose for this role to have the same permissions as either an administrator, manager, or employee. Select the green Add button below. Now we can assign employees to our new role. Select all employees that would fall under this role, then click Save below. Action complete. Thank you very much for watching.